Inflow Inventory Management System tutorial. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Inflow Inventory Management System. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Inflow, you can also use my affiliate link below the description or earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Inflow Inventory, it is the comprehensive software solution designed to help businesses efficiently track, organize, and manage their inventory, sales, and purchasing processes. It offers tools that simplify inventory control by allowing users to monitor stock levels, manage orders, and generate real-time reports on product movement and performance. And with Inflow, businesses can easily add items, categorize products, and track inventory across multiple locations, ensuring accurate and up-to-date records. So now to create an account, you can click the link in the description or the start free trial button on the top right corner, where you can start simply signing here by entering here your email address. And after that, filling out the required information, you will be directed on this page. On the left side panel, we can navigate here some of the options, but in here under the dashboard, it will show us the inventory, the reports, the overview, and the setup checklist. Let's say going first by creating a product, clicking this plus button and product. From here, you can enter here the product name. For instance, I'm going to enter here the product iPhone 15 Pro Max. And after that, you can click the create button below to proceed. Once done, you'll automatically be directed on the page where you can simply enter or fill out some of the required information or details about the product. Now, as you can see, we're currently under the product section in here of this iPhone 15 Pro Max. We can start adding here also on images or upload from our computer files by simply clicking or selecting here the images. All we need to do is to wait for it to be uploaded in here successfully and click done to proceed. Once done, you could even add an SKU at the description in here. So for instance, I'm going to enter here limited edition iPhone 15 Pro Max silver color. So you could also enter, depending on your preferences, a more comprehensive kind of description in here. So that the description part, you could also add here the measurement of the product that you are selling in here or adding. Let's say we're going to add here a length, width, height, and weight. But for instance, you can even add a custom field below here. Moving on below, it will show you the quality on hand for all locations. As you can see, we can even enter here the number of on-hand products or inventory in here. It will show you under movement history all of the history of movement in or out of this product. Now to add the quantity, just simply click the plus button in here or enter the amount. Let's say 5. I'm just going to make it 20 since it is limited edition. Now moving on, you could also start categorizing the product by clicking the default category or simply adding it in here. But as you can see, I have no kind of category uploaded or added in here. So we can start adding before this. You can enter here gadget as example. And aside from that, if you scroll down below here, it will show you that you can even add R marks to this product. But once done filling out the required information, just click the save button on the top right corner to save adding this kind of product. So you can see you have now added the product iPhone 15 Pro Max. Moving on, we could also click the plus button and click transfer. It will allow us to transfer the product from one location to another. This is basically what it looks like upon seeing the status of it. It will show us in here the remarks, the transfer, history, and many more. But again, firstly, you need to add different location in here, such as the default one and also the other location. You can even start the adjustment of the product by entering here first again the location currently. You can add here by filling out the required information or entering here the exact location of your warehouses where you store some of your products. And in here, let's say upon adjusting the stock, you can even add or choose the right reason of it and add the remarks to do so. Once done, you can click the plus button, or you could also click the count. By doing so, using this feature, you can start counting the right amount of stock of your inventory of a specific kind of product you're selling in here, or you are stocking to this. But since our count here is empty, you'll not be able to count anything or have no data at this point. On the top right corner, you can even add an attachment or even import the data if you want to. Moving on, aside from that, under here, the inventory, you can also navigate to choose the stock transfer, which is its purpose is to move inventory items from one location to another within the same organization to ensure the efficient distribution and optimal stock levels across all branches. But again, in order to do so, we firstly need to have different locations that we already fill out the details, including the location of one warehouse and a second warehouse, and so on. And now, speaking of data, you could also start navigating some of the reports of the item or also the inventory by clicking the reports option in here. If you recently generated stock levels, stock adjustment, and many more. So you should be able to see here all of the reports. The product cost, stock count, stock transfer, and many more. All of this you can navigate in here and customize. It will show you also under here the stockroom scans that you can download this application, Stockroom app, for mobile uses. Moving on, if you also want to navigate some other feature, you can subscribe some of their plan by clicking subscribe now button on the top right corner. By doing so, it will show you all of the plan that they offer and you can start choosing depending on your needs. It will show you a different kind of feature and also benefits upon using or upon subscribing or buying some of the plan. Now under inventory section, we can add here allocation again. To start adding, just click on it, and in this pop-up window, just click add location. Enter here the location name, address, the city, state or province, zip, or postal code, and the country of it. So basically, this is the part where we can start adding the location of our warehouses where we stock our product. So at this point, I'm just going to simply enter here a random address and click the save button to proceed. So for the country, I'm going to enter here United Kingdom. And upon saving it, you should be able to see here that we have now successfully added the default one, which is the other location. You can even add a category in here, such as gadget as an example, since that is the kind of product that we are stocking in here in inventory. Setting is as default. Once done, you could even add the adjustment reason, adjust some of your location, category, and many more. You also have here the variant option, the stock keeping units or SKUs, and even the unit measurement of any of the products that we are stocking in here. Under stockroom, you should be able to see all of the product that has been stocked. So basically, using this application or platform, it streamlines the operation by integrating the sales and purchase order management, the barcode scanning, and customizable reporting features. You can invite also your team by entering here their email address to send the invitation link. So moving on, that is just basically how you can use the Inflow inventory management system. Thank you.